The word superfighter describes an outstanding warplane. It was first applied to the leading fighters of the late 1970s and 1980s. Their basic designs are already 30 years old, but constant upgrades will keep many of these in use well into the 21st century. The new generation of combat aircraft is now coming into service. These aircraft introduce new technologies, bringing whole new levels of fighting capability, in some cases, revolutionary ones. These new superfighters will form the cornerstone of world air power for years to come. Many of these fighters were born during the free-spending years of the late Cold War. Defence budgets have been slashed since the end of that conflict, and air forces can afford fewer aircraft to carry out a wide range of missions. Any new types would have to be exceptional for a start. A single superfighter may carry out tasks that would previously have taken as many as 6 other types of combat aircraft. They must now have so-called swing roll ability. The ability within the same mission to excel at both air-to-air and air-to-ground combat. This versatility comes from a combination of airframe, weapons and sensors. Incredibly strong, cunningly designed airframes make the new superfighters stunningly agile. Stealth, previously applied only to attack aircraft, has a further revolutionizing effect. Their fantastic agility also comes from extremely powerful new engines with thrust vectoring nozzles. The ability to supercruise, to sustain supersonic flight without using afterburn, brings important tactical advantages. And critically, missiles can be given greater energy on launch, reaching more distant parts. These features mean that new superfighters will outfly and outfight their rivals well into the future. And they're being armed with the very latest smart weapons. New short-range air-to-air missiles, such as the international ASRAAM and American A9X, are far more agile than the current Sidewinder. For engagements beyond visual range, the American ASRAAM will be armed with high-speed yet maneuverable missiles such as the European Meteor. For air-to-ground missions, the bulk of attack weapons are precision-guided. Superfighters carry the most avant-garde laser-steered bombs, as well as smart bombs controlled by GPS. And for standoff attack, munitions dispensers and cruise missiles are being used. But it's in the realm of sensors that superfighters are really showing the way forward. Equipped with electronically scanned radars that bring new levels of performance and reliability. Most have an integrated defensive electronics system. These prioritize and assess all threats, then automatically launch counter-missions. Uptronic systems allow passive detection and targets tracking. Then the data is sorted, analysed and fused before being presented to the pilot. This means he can spend most of his time managing the tactical battle instead of monitoring the systems. In other words, fighting and not flying. These technologies are expensive, but the new Superfighters operate with greater efficiency than their forebears. All have the built-in ability to be upgraded well into the future.